I'm really excited to be sharing some great news with you. We are planning a conference. This is going to be the first Teachers' Conference by grade for all those who teach English to young learners, teenagers, adults, all those working at schools, universities, language courses, anywhere. We already have a couple of invited speakers who are going to be sharing their expertise in different areas of English language teaching and outside ELT, such as management, psychology, coaching, and so on. Come along to our conference to see old friends and make new friends. Socialize, there will be lots of opportunities for socializing. The conference will be taking place on the 26th of October, and the attendance fee is 999 hryvnia. It's valid until the 7th of September, as it's early bird, so do hurry up and register as the fee will be going up. It includes attendance to the conference, the welcome pack with lots of useful materials, and also all the coffee breaks. If you have any questions, do send us an email or call us and we'll be happy to help. We look forward to seeing you at our conference. And we're also welcoming applications from all those who want to speak at our conference. So if you have some interesting ideas, please do apply. We'd like to see a variety of different topics.